Today we're checking back in with Ripple's XRP coin, performing some technical analysis and making some predictions on where we can expect to see XRP go in the near future. Let's get into it. Welcome into the XRP chart, guys. If you're looking to buy XRP or want some free Bitcoin, there are a couple of links down in the description of today's video. As you can see, XRP currently sitting at 74 cents. Unfortunately, looking like many of the other charts we have seen in the past few days, breaching key points of support. So our last key point of support was that 80 cent mark. That has now been breached. Of course, we got down to a low, which was on the 5th of January, and that low was of 70 cents. We bumped up a bit again, but we are continuing to unfortunately drop in that direction. It does appear though that there is a bit of a trend which has formed itself, a new downtrend I'd suggest. As you can see here, I'll chuck that one in place, probably about there. That is the new downtrend that we have been seeing. Now if we take another line, it does appear that this is almost a little bit of a channel that has formed itself, moving in that sort of a direction. So unfortunately we're headed to now our next key point of support, which is at roughly 69.70 cents. If we zoom out, you can see that I suppose the next point of support after that is, as we just come down here, probably I'd be suggesting roughly about here at the 58.60 cent mark. I'd suggest, yeah, maybe just a bit higher there at that 60 cent mark. That is, I suppose, a major point of support for us. You can see as well, we have had that, of course, 20-day moving average cross below the 200-day, 50 days done the same. They're both moving in a downwards direction still. We thought we might have seen a bit of support. Looks more like a bit of a bull trap now. So unfortunately, we are continuing that downwards momentum. Volume, relatively the same. Not too much to talk about from that perspective. So let's move on. RSI. Let's have a look at that. You can see we're currently sitting at 34.56. That is a low RSI, and we're moving to the oversold range. So maybe when we get to that point, it is due for a big reversal. And you're seeing this on many coins at this point in time. We are heading to or have already hit that oversold range, which indicates to me that it's time for a reversal in the trend. But the catalyst for that is going to be, as always, the MACD. And you can see the MACD at this point in time is moving away from each other. 12-day and 26-day are moving in a downwards direction. If we did see a cross of that and across the market, maybe we'll start seeing a bit more momentum coming into the whole crypto space, XRP included, and we start hitting some targets. But until then, we are going to continue these downwards moves or sideways moves depending. What's the target for today? Well, quite simply, I think we're going to hit this 69 cent mark. I'm hoping that we do bounce off it and potentially breach this top line over here, break through that point of resistance. But at this point in time, we're heading down here and we'll see what happens when we get there. That wraps up our XRP analysis for today, guys. I'd love to hear your thoughts down in the comments section below. Of course, if you did enjoy today's analysis, make sure you do leave a thumbs up. And if you want to see more of this sort of content, hit subscribe and turn on those bell notifications. I'll leave it there for today, guys. I hope you have an awesome day. I'll see you next time. Cheers.